Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the second video of the Fedwire series. So in this video we are going to compare and see the different messages of ISO20022 that is being used or that is gonna replace the current existing proprietary messages. At present, the Fedwire is processing payment using FAIM standard messages. But as of March 2025, the Fedwire is taking a big bang approach to be migrated to ISO20022 format messages. In the current messages, Fedwire uses codes to differentiate various payment types like customer payment or bank payment or payment return, something like that. Now let's see how these code-based proprietary messages are replaced with ISO20022 standard messages. The wire uses the function code CTR for denoting a customer credit transfer, and the type code for that is 1000 or 1032 or 1500. Now all of these codes will be performed or replaced by only backseat message. Similarly, for the bank transfer, the Fedwire uses a function as BTR and the type codes are 1500, 1600, and these codes are replaced by PAX009 message. Currently, the Fedwire uses a concept called drawdown request and response, which means you can request a fund to someone. It can be a business or a friend or your family, and if they accept your request, the fund will be credited to you. This is currently performed using the code DRW and the type code as 1031 and 1631. Now both of these functions will be performed using PAIN013 message. Since drawdown is a request, the user has to respond back, and that is called drawdown response. And the Fedwire uses a code 1033 and 1633. Now both of these codes are replaced by PAIN014. In case of any funds needs to be returned, it can be CTR or BTR or DRW. These functions are performed using the codes 1002, 1502, 1602. Now all these codes are replaced or handled using PAX004 message. In case if any of the funds needs to be cancelled, then the Fedwire uses 1001 or 1501 or 1601 codes, but all these codes are now performed using CAMT56 message. In case of any inquiry and investigation request or response, the Fedwire is currently using 1090 or 1590 or 1690 messages for both request and responses. Now that has been replaced using CAMT110 for investigation request and CAMT111 for investigation response. I hope now you got the picture of what are all the messages involved in ISO20022 migration for FedNow payment business processing. There are other messages that is being used for different purposes like account reconciliation reports and administration messages, which we will see it in the next video. Thank you.